Hey guys, this is actually a really weird way for me to start my vlogs because I've been in America for 2 weeks now, but things didn't go to plan. I was in LA and I had all these expectations for my adventures to be so fun and for me to have the best time and everything like that, but the universe and God wanted me to experience some really painful lessons. It was so hard for me to not want to pick up my camera and film for you guys and like document my travels on Instagram and everything like that, but I just wasn't feeling it. I was so down, and they say it was to do with Mercury retrograde, but I also think I needed that. I needed to be in the darkness to value my light, and I was just going through feeling really low, doubting myself, questioning whether I really want to do this anymore. The whole theory of escapism from like my personal life. I was traveling so much because I was depending on travel to allow my mind to be free from loads of things that were going on that I didn't want to face. And I had a lot of free time when I was in LA to be able to think deeply, which I didn't want to do, but I had to. But I feel like I went through that growing pain and it was needed, and after many talks with my closest friends, they know who they are, I've grown, and even though it was just a painful like 10 days, I definitely feel a lot better. I'm in Houston now, Houston, Texas. I've been here for 1 day. I'm here by myself, and this is such a huge change for me because I've never traveled by myself where I've not known anyone in the city. And if you're watching this and you do that on the regular, then you're like, oh, you're gonna be fine, like don't stress. But whenever you do something for the first time, you're always worried and questioning everything and scared. And I had to remember that I first traveled by myself when I was 16 in New York, and I hosted an event, and even though I had family there, so if I fell then they would be able to pick me up, and I had friends, but in Houston I don't have family. There's no one who I can call to rescue me, so I feel like I'm gonna value my strength as a woman more being here because I have to depend on myself for everything. And I'm grateful for this experience because I have to remember that I prayed for this. I prayed for God and the universe to take me on this tour. It's something that I wanted for the longest time because I love America and I love my girls from America, so I got what I asked for in its own way, and I won't take it for granted. And looking at things full circle, everything happens for a reason, and I needed that time to be in pain and to be in doubt and to question myself and to not know where I was going or what I wanted to do, because now I know what I want to do and I know where I'm going. And even though I might be tested again and again and again, that's fine. I'm not going to be afraid anymore to make mistakes and to relax. So without further ado, I introduce to you the Houston Rwrk adventures. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.
No one is around, say my name, say my name. If no one is around, say my name, say my name. If no one is around, say my name, say my name. If no one is around, you say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling. I wanna know
Hey, go shoulder, go shoulder.
Baby, better say my name. The day I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same.
Yeah, we should still filming, oh my god.
Yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all,
Wake you up in the middle of the night and take you to another world.
Damn.
You wake up in the morning feeling like Rwrk.
Drop entertainment to the public.
We're on the train track. We on the train track. She's a real one, guys. She knew my beat.
I try to hop on.
Hey guys, the sun is.
Oh shit.
Okay, guys. Woo. My nose, my eyes. Oh no, when I'm not facing the sun, please turn the boats. What? Oh my god. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
So guys, I'm out here with my Aquarius girl.
Both struggling, but we cute though.
Okay, speak for yourself with the struggling. You on the struggle boat.
No, I'm on the struggle boat.
Yes.
By myself apparently.
Let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl, get your claim.
Good morning, guys. So, today I'm shooting with Greg Noir, and my hair looks really interesting. And I have the Happy Friday event is today, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna kill 2 outfits in one, so I'm gonna wear this outfit, well, 1 outfit in 2, and then I'm gonna change into some heels for the event. But this is a really cute dress that I've had for a minute in my wardrobe, or closet as my Americans call it. So I'm just fixing my hair because I went blonder and it's so dry. So I will go back to dark hair next week, but for now there's no one to make it dark for me, so gotta embrace the blonde. But I hope you guys enjoy today's adventures, and I'll see you guys later. Don't be a potato.
Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you act strange. Nobody's holding you back from me.
Hey guys, I'm back again. I had the shoot with Greg, it was amazing, and now it's event time. I'm wearing the same dress, but I just put heels on because I'm traveling for months, so I need to save as many outfits as I can. So it's event time, and I'm running solo today, riding solo, flying solo, because I am doing everything. Hosting, packed the gift bags, taking them downstairs. Like, there's no one here to help me, and I'm not fussed because I love doing what I do, but it's just like the first time that I've been by myself doing this in a really long time, and it's just like I'm really grateful for everyone who's ever helped me, because I am my boss today, and I am the running girl. I'm everything today. I'm Superwoman. So see you guys for the event. I cannot wait to meet my Houston girls. So yeah, let's bounce. Let's get out of here.
When saying everything to me times 2, why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Boys, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I'm something.
I'm destined for greatness. And I'm full of lights. And I'm full of lights. So something that I've noticed, because you said that you're on this journey of self-love, which takes a long time, is that we don't love ourselves, and we often put ourselves that you feel it now or in a year, and it makes sense to you then, especially because you guys are a bit young. I would say that every morning speak to yourself and tell yourself how beautiful you are. You can remix it to be specific. And I know you guys are going to kill it because there's so many bomb styles today. I heard someone say, what? There's amazing lights. Americans, you guys have the best light for pictures.
Going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how it used to do. We saying everything you mean, don't change, don't change. If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say, baby, I love.
Hey guys, I'm with Toya, aka more than rubies underscore, and we're going to a dance class today. I'm so excited. Like, I've needed this for a really long time. I can't wait to twerk and shake it all off.
If you love all that heat going your way, bless you. Okay, but we have some more space over here if you want to come on this side. All right, so we're gonna think of this as a paintbrush. Okay, your lovely poom poom is a paintbrush. Okay, and we're going to paint today. Okay, the floor is your canvas. So we're gonna create a real pretty picture. Take it to the south. Good. Take it to the east. Take it to the north. Take it to the west. Take it to the south. East, north, west, 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 south. Smooth it out and smooth it out. All right, perfect.
Hey guys, so we did the workout and we're worked out. Like, it was so much fun. A huge thank you to Island Sweat Fitness. If you guys live in Houston, then go and visit it. That workshop in particular, they do it the 1st and 3rd of every month. Yeah. And I think it's like $10. But I'll put the link in the description box below. So yeah, a huge thank you to Toya, aka More Than Rubies, for DMing me and pestering me. She literally did. She was like, come. It was the best time. I'm ready to find a husband and dance now.
Yes, we need one.
Yeah, we both do.
Check us out.
Check us out, y'all. Hey guys, so I'm shooting with Angela and we're in Pavement, Houston, in a thrift store. We've picked out some really cool things, so if you guys want to jazz up your wardrobe, then visit here. I'll put the link in the description box. A huge thank you to them for letting us borrow some of their cute stuff. Just how much we're borrowing. We have Hawaiian shirts, denim heels. Like, this shoot, you're not ready. We're not even ready. Someone has to be ready. Angela, you ready? I'm ready. Ooh, she ready, y'all.
Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Say my name. Sudden change. Say my name. If ain't nothing changed. Oh, I love you. You ain't mine. Say my name. I think
Side note, not even side note, okay? We are killing it. Killing it.
So awesome.
Hey guys, so I'm leaving Houston. My flight's in like 2 hours, but I've had so much fun. It's been the best. I really was scared that I wouldn't be able to like be my own entertainment, but I ended up making so many friends. I went to dance class, like stepped out my comfort zone. The event was amazing. We sold out. And it's so much fun stuff, and I'm just so grateful. And yeah, I can't wait for Miami. It's such a different vibe, beach life, and all the shenanigans. So yeah, I'll see you guys for the next trip, which will be Miami. Bye guys.
Yes, yes, yes.
You're the most